Imagine this. You wake up one day, check your investment account, and realize your money has doubled, tripled, maybe even grown tenfold, all without you lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream? It's not. Today, I'm revealing a simple yet powerful investment strategy that could turn $100,000 into a massive fortune over time. No gimmicks, no complicated stock picking, just one ETF, SCHD. And if you've never heard of SCHD before, buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why it could be a total game changer for your financial future. Let's get started. Now, let's get one thing straight. Dividends are the secret weapon of the world's wealthiest investors. Warren Buffett, huge fan of dividends. The biggest hedge funds, same story. That's where SCHD comes in. SCHD, or the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, isn't just another collection of stocks. It's a carefully curated portfolio of the most reliable dividend-paying companies in the U.S. To get into SCHD, a company must have these achievements. Have at least 10 years of consecutive dividend growth. Be financially stable with a $500 million market cap. Meet strict performance metrics. This isn't your average dividend ETF that chases high yields from risky companies. This is an ETF built to last. And that's exactly why it's one of the most popular dividend-focused ETFs today. All right, let's talk real money, because at the end of the day, performance matters. In the past year, SCHD returned 6.65%. Over 5 years, a solid 44.7% gain. Over 10 years, an average of 10.12% annually. Now, let's compare it to the S&P 500. While SCHD might not always beat the S&P 500 during bull markets, it holds strong when times get rough. Perfect example, the 2020 market crash. The S&P 500 tanked. Many high-risk ETFs crashed hard, but SCHD down just 6.5% and quickly rebounded. That's the power of focusing on high-quality, financially strong companies. Here's where things get really exciting: dividends. SCHD currently offers a 3.66% dividend yield, which already makes it attractive. But what really sets it apart? Consistent growth, reinvested dividends, the power of compounding. If you reinvest your dividends, your money doesn't just sit there. It buys more shares, which means more dividends in the future. It's like planting a tree that keeps growing, dropping more seeds, and before you know it, you've got a whole dividend forest producing cash year after year. And with an average annual dividend growth rate of 11%, this isn't just about making money today. It's about creating an unstoppable passive income stream for your future. Let's do the math. If you invest $100,000 in SCHD and let it grow, here's what could happen. After 10 years, $260,000. After 20 years, $680,000. After 30 years, over $1.8 million. And that's without reinvesting dividends. With dividend reinvestment, that $100,000 could easily surpass $3 million over time. This isn't just theory. This is based on actual historical data. The key? Time, patience, and letting your money work for you. Now, before you go all in on SCHD, let's talk about the risks. Market fluctuations. Even though SCHD is more stable than many stocks, it still moves with the market. Sector concentration. Certain industries have higher weightings, which can impact performance. Economic shifts. Changes in interest rates, inflation, and market cycles can all affect SCHD's returns. Smart investors diversify. SCHD is a great foundation, but pairing it with other asset classes can create a more resilient portfolio. So, is SCHD the right investment for you? If you're looking for a reliable, low-maintenance investment, passive income that grows over time, a balance of stability and long-term growth, then SCHD is worth serious consideration. But remember, investing isn't one size fits all. Make sure it aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and long-term strategy. Now, here's my challenge for you. Would you invest $100,000 in SCHD today? Or do you have a different strategy? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you got value from this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more investing insights that can transform your future. Until next time, keep investing wisely.